Hi, in this video, I will calculate Taguchi signal to noise ratios for larger the better or higher the better criteria. So let's go to stat, then DOE, then Taguchi, analyze Taguchi design. In that case, we have to select the response variable. Let's suppose I select impact. I want to maximize the impact strength. So let's go to the options. In the option, please click on larger is the better or higher is the better. This is the same thing. Click OK. Go to the analysis. Select display the response table for signal to noise ratios. Click OK and then click OK. So here you got this response table for signal to noise ratios. How you can interpret it? So you will have to select the value for each parameter that is the maximum. For example, for GA, the level 3 has the highest value. For PST, again level 3 has the highest value. For ED, level 3, and for RG, level 1 has the highest value. So we can say the optimum settings for the impact strength is third level of GA, third level of PST, level 3 of ED, and level 1 of RG. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye.